Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Isha Mukherjee with a new video today. So I've been planning on to do this video from a long time, but jab jago tab savera, my favorite quote of all time. So today's video is very interesting and I think it will be very useful for so many of you out there in these times when people are like searching for new jobs. There are job cuts, there are salary cuts. People need new job or job, I think, more than ever, or for everyone in general who want to switch. I am very sure that the points I'll be talking today would definitely help you to find a new job like a snap. Actually, yes, because it has helped me a lot in the past, and I am coming with all the experiences and best practices. So yes, let's start. I have 5 very impactful points and tips, if I can call so, that if you follow, then it will be switching or finding a new job will be a seamless process for you. To let's begin it. So I have 5 C's for you. Number 1 is CV, is your resume, which is the first touch point with the HR and which represents you like the best. It in a minute it will tell everything about you, what you have done in the past, your background, educational background, what you like, what are your strengths, and everything one can judge, especially these HRs. You know how they are. My sister is a HR, so I know, I really know they can just scan you. So yeah, CV is very important thing. Please don't underestimate that. Please don't do a last minute changes or कि यार ठीक है अब submit करना है जो पुराना CV था, let's update थोड़ा and submit it. No, please don't do that. Spelling correction, grammar, formatting, I think these are like you will say this is basic, but please do this. Recheck once, twice, thrice, because every time when you add something or delete something, there might be a autocorrect, there might be a punctuation error or a formatting में problem, कुछ भी हो सकता है. So please do that check. Apart from it, please try to make your CV compact. Trust me, लगता है सुनने में कि यार 5 पेज की CV. No one wants to read a brochure about you. They wants to have a leaflet, 1-page pamphlet. So try to have 1 pager. If no, then maximum 2. Please don't go beyond 2. Write crisp, write to the point, write numbers, because I personally feel that whatever, any job in the world, every job has the numbers. Every job is achieving a number, a data at every moment. Be it marketing, their job would be generating leads, impressions, anything, that sort of. Branding, for sales, it will be obviously numbers. How much revenue have they generated, what is the percentage increase in the revenue. Third, if they are like engineers or product managers, how many features have they launched, how many bugs are there in the new features. So there are numbers, like find it. First of all, I think you should write down whatever you do and then you should edit it. First write everything, 4 page, 5 page, 10 page, then you edit and take the best out of it. I know it's really lengthy process, but hectic, but it will be really help you. Even it will help you in creating about yourself paragraph that will be going to your LinkedIn, your resume after your name, 4 lines about you, and the answer to the HR asking tell me about yourself, or the recruiter asking tell me about yourself. So that's very important. Now number 2, after CV comes connection. As I was saying about LinkedIn, please keep your LinkedIn updated. I mean, LinkedIn is the best platform ever. It really works for me every time. I have used Naukri, I have used even paid Naukri, I have used so many other portals, IM Jobs, and whatnot, but LinkedIn is like really good. All the jobs, the quality of jobs I feel are better, the profiles are better, and they are not what to say. I have faced in few jobs where the profile doesn't match actually the job description does not actually match with the profile that they are looking for. So yeah, LinkedIn is very helpful. Update your LinkedIn. Please have a professional image on your LinkedIn ka DP. If you can get, please try to get some recommendations from your past ex-boss or your colleague, current colleague, anyone. Just try to get more recommendation. It really helps. It's like it shines in your LinkedIn profile. So do that. Please have more and more good connections, like quality connections, and don't hesitate to reach out for help. This community is for help. Don't feel shy. Don't feel that यार I'll text and सामने से message नहीं, reply नहीं आएगा. हाँ, नहीं आएगा. Don't expect reply from everyone. I think maximum 2 or 3% का turn up होता है to the replies. तो please think and इतना आप message करो connections को, जितना अगर 2-3% reply आता है तो they are at least 2-3 replies. So it means 100 messages. Really do that, because if they have a job, if they have opportunity, they'll definitely reply. The community is not like कि करने दो, मेरे पास जॉब है पर मैं ना नहीं दूंगा इसको जॉब. ऐसा नहीं है. People over there are really very good helping, and I am sure if someone texted you and if you have opportunity, you will revert to them, है ना. So please reach out to them. It will really help you building connections. If you can write blogs, but don't put pressure right now. If it is if it is not something that hooks you, then just keep it off the table. Just have the perfect LinkedIn profile, and getting recommendations and increasing connections will also do. So that was 2, CV connection. Third is, again, I think it is the most important thing, but it is. So yeah, that is communication, because everything comes back to communication. I know it sounds weird and it may not sound right, but it is what it is. You have to accept the truth. Your knowledge, your experience, your know-hows, hands-on practice, everything comes to your communication. Because जब people यहाँ पे जो the people who are sitting here, the recruiters, the HRs, the panel, they have not seen you working. What they are seeing is you talking. So they are listening to you. So it's very important for you to communicate well, to communicate everything that you know, all your strengths and your weakness wrapped into your strengths. So communication is really very key thing. You have to have some questions prepared prior to the interview, like tell me about yourself. You should have this answer prepared, write and prepare. I have done that. Tell me what do you do in current job. Please story मत बताओ, ठीक है. Don't use because, then, so, that. छोटे छोटे sentence, cut to cut sentence की my responsibility revolves around these 3 points, 1, 2, 3. फिर उन तीनों पॉइंट को थोड़ा थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करो. टॉक अबाउट टॉप 3 इनिशिएटिव्स दैट यू हैव डन विद देयर आउटकम्स. और सब चीज बताना जरूरी नहीं है. कहीं कहीं लीव द स्पेस फॉर देम टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस. सो लाइक दिस यू कैन डायरेक्ट द एंटायर इंटरव्यू and they'll not go to the parts that you don't want them to go. So how will that happen? ये तभी होगा when you will leave some space अपने answers में. So try that out. Please practice. If you think communication में थोड़ा problem है, practice looking yourself into the mirror. Practice while recording yourself and then listen to your answers. And yeah, communication is the key. I mean, really, I have seen people who knows so much, but because there's a problem with communication, they miss out on so many opportunities. So yeah, communication. 4th C is this is something which, if you have and you lack anything above 3, this will cover up. That is confidence. It is okay if your grammars are not correct. I don't have a perfect grammar, though I have studied in a missionary school, but I don't have, and I am okay. I'm not proud of it. I want to have, but I don't, and it's okay. If you don't know the answer of all the questions, if you have some, by chance, some mistakes in your resume, everything gets covered up with confidence, not overconfidence. Please, no, a big no to overconfidence. That is biggest turn off. But confidence, that smile. You should not panic during your interviews. Don't try not to stammer. If you don't know the questions, take a pause. Tell them, give me a minute to think and I'll answer back. Think and then frame the sentence in your mind and then say. Don't start with something and then end up going somewhere else. So it's better to just be calm, be confident that far doge yaar, you are amazing, you can do it. So just have that in your mind. You're the best, you are going to get it. So yes, go with the go-getter attitude, and confidence really works. Whatever it is, say it. Even saying I don't know the right answer, oh I'm sorry, I just forgot, it slipped out of my mind, no I haven't done this but I think I can do this, I am a quick learner. All these things, just keep these pointers in your mind, and if you're confident then ho jayega. And the fifth thing, the fifth C is no one tells you, but it is very important, is consistency. Please don't think कि एक हफ्ते से I am applying, I gave 2-3 interviews, कोई अच्छे calls नहीं आ रहे, नहीं होगा यार, छोड़ देते हैं. No, please अपने comfort zone से बाहर निकलो. एक हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते में कुछ नहीं होता है. Trust me, try for 30 straight days every day. Don't think कि आज यार कल ही तो इतने 100 जॉब अप्लाई किया था, आज नहीं करती. No, please don't do that mistake. I have done that also. Yeah, so 30 days guaranteed you will get an offer. I am not saying that maybe you might not get the dream job, but you will get an offer. And एक offer आपके confidence को यहाँ से ना यहाँ पहुँचा देता है. एक offer, कैसा भी offer. Don't say no to interviews. Don't say no कि यार नहीं यार तो छोटी कंपनी है, ये पैसे नहीं देगी. Don't say no. Please give all the interviews. I'm not saying to accept the offer because this is unprofessional, but give interviews for your sake of practice, because every interview will teach something or the other. I gave one interview and they were asking maths questions. They asked me so many maths questions. They asked me if I were to cut a pie into 7 pieces, how many strikes will I make? Oh my god, and something about the actual mathematical pie, I don't get into that. So that was so embarrassing. I said no to I think all the maths questions. I said I don't know maths. Yeah, I studied maths till 10th, but I think they were basic maths. I am not sure. I am very bad at maths. So yeah, the moral of the story is there is learning in each and every interview. You will small nuances that you might miss in your practice period, but when you are giving a live interview, it will strike that okay, next time do that better. So please give interviews, telephonic interviews. अब तो वीडियो कॉल में इंटरव्यूज हो रहे हैं. कैमरा में आई नो, आई हैव सीन सो मेनी पीपल कि यार फेस टू फेस ना हो जाता है, पर वीडियो कॉल में यार नर्वस हो जाते हैं. तो इससे बेटर टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा और फिर लैपटॉप एंड speak, record yourself, listen to yourself. That will help. And अभी तो I think everyone must be having video call वाली meetings. So it is you might be used to it. So yeah, consistency. Please don't break that consistency. LinkedIn को अपना Instagram बना लो. हमेशा scroll, new jobs आती रहती हैं. लोग post कर रहे हैं आजकल so much कि that they need someone in their team. Or so please be active on LinkedIn. Today I have a new job. This company which I'm working for currently, I joined in April, and still I am used to. I get used to of LinkedIn. I just see what is happening. अच्छा, okay, इस कंपनी में ऐसा चल रहा है. अच्छा, these are the openings. I don't want a job right now, but अब मेरी आदत हो गई है, and I think it's great because I learned so many new stuffs in LinkedIn. So yeah, 5 points. Just keep them in mind. They are very useful. They'll help you, and follow this, please. CV connection, your LinkedIn connection, and the entire LinkedIn profile, obviously. Third, your communication. Practice on communication part. Fourth is the confidence. You can do it. You can really do it. Fifth, consistency. Please, just one more day. Take it as it comes. You'll do it. So yeah, these are 5 things. Please comment if this helped you, or if there are any other things that is helping you, let people know, let everyone know. And if you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe. While subscribing, hit the notification button. Whenever I'll upload a new video, you'll be notified. And this was for working professionals. If there are students out there whose placements are rahe hain and they want me to create a video on how to pass a group discussion GD or a PI for students, I'll happily do that. So yes, bye, see you next time.